Alright, this is me unboxing what I believe is my dropper post. Okay, so got this off of Amazon. Box in a box. This is a D&M dropper seat post for my mountain bike. Comes with a little tag. Looks like in a lot of places this just hangs up on a bike shop or some store. And happy buyers just gank it. Okay. One of the biggest negative comments that I saw on Amazon about this was how it didn't come with the right hardware, or it didn't come with any hardware. There's the bracket that'll secure it to the seat, and it looks like the bracket, nope, this is just the seat part. And then this is, I don't know, one of them's the seat and one of them's the handle part. And here's the shock itself. Definitely looks the quality I was hoping for and read about. No side-to-side give. I'm sure there's some instructions I'm gonna have to read. I don't think it has any air in it or any compression. So there we go. Let's get to it. It doesn't feel very heavy. I'm sure minus the weight of this seat post, it's going to be replacing maybe twice as heavy.